go. Yeah, close enough. And just get that centered as much as possible. And then I'm just gonna eyeball it. The trick here is to not move the thing between. There we go. Wow. Thank you, Jesus, that it didn't move. And here we go. To work left-handed so you guys can see. Oh, actually, I don't know if this is going to be, if these are actually going to be long enough for this, because there's like, I got a little bit of a, it's not a perfect fit, so there's a gap. Clean off the, it may just be the burrs are in the way. Get those out of the way first. Gouge out too much. Dig the hole out, not just the burr. There we go. Let's see. Well, you know, I'm just not gonna, actually this will work. I'm just not gonna put the washer on it because I don't really need it. Well, when you say you don't really need something, that's because you can't use it anyway, and then you just make up an excuse. I guess they're not evenly spaced, so I got to make sure. No, they're not. I'm gonna make sure the right one's in the right place. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna stick these all in there and see if they end up kind of jamming in just to hold it in place. And if they don't, oh well. You know, let's give it a shot. These are pretty thin. Let's see if it'll work anyway. Oh, it does. Yep. Sure enough. There we go. Pretty good. Now, a little bit of silicone along there to seal that up. Now, I have a 4-inch duct that I've had also, and I need to get a transition from the 4-inch down to the, which is basically the same size as 2-inch pipe, which is the size on a vacuum, a shop vac, large shop vac hose. And I can't just, do it with duct tape or something. It needs to be rigid because this is going to be under a vacuum. So, hey, that'll be the next step.